We are standing here in front of the worldwide very first machine with our MX system, and that means without a cabinet. Ludger, please tell me, what did you do with the MX system here with this machine?
We have used this MX system for this machine. This is a profile processing machine. This machine was built for the exhibition Fensterbau Frontale, and we have got a lot of really good experiences with this system.
Okay, please tell me more about these experiences. Do you see any advantages or benefits with the MX system?
Yeah. First of all, we have a lot of advantages in terms of our value chain. Okay. For example, we don't need a lot of time between the engineering phase and the installation phase. Once we have the E-plan, then we can commission the parts we need and we can start the installation. We don't need to wait till the control cabinet is built. Yeah? So that's a big advantage. Yes. Then another advantage is we are here at standing in front of a module. This is a machinery or a machining module. Machining module, that means we do drilling and milling in this module. And these base plates here are connected directly to the module. That means we have been able to do the complete installation in our area where we do the pre-assembly of the module. That means the installation is done, and we see also the potential later on to do also parts of the commissioning already in this area.
Yeah. So the MX system is designed for each module. So you have a decentralized solution, electronic solution for your mechanical steps.
And the bigger advantage for us nowadays, we do the installation here in this area where we do the final assembly and the commissioning. The machine needs a lot of space in this area, so we save also space in our fabrication, and that is a big advantage for us.
So you can do it step by step?
Yeah, okay. Exactly.
And do you see any advantages for the end customer, the user of the machine as well?
Yeah, for example, when we are doing the reinstallation at the customer side, we are more fast. Yeah, we have seen this already at this exhibition. So the reinstallation in Nuremberg was really fast, and that is also an advantage for our end customer. Then there are other advantages. For example, advantage for us is we don't need special technicians for the reinstallation. Our mechanical staff can do this because everything is pluggable. And the advantages of the end customer, for example, they don't need space for the control cabinet. The layout of the machine is more clear, and we also see that we have not so much different spare parts. Typically, the end customer should have some spares available, so the number of different spare parts is reduced really significant. And and also we have seen that Beckhoff provides also very good tools for the diagnostic of the machine. Yeah, that means advantages for the maintenance. Yeah.
Okay, so that means you see advantages in saving time and effort from the installation, the planning, but also the space efficiency of the whole machine designed with the MX system.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, all right. And maybe you can tell me, how did you come up with the idea of having an MX system at your machine?
We have seen the MX system 2 years ago on the Hannover exhibition. And we have contacted the product management of Beckhoff at the same time, and after the exhibition we came very fast to the point that we decided to realize a machine with this system. Yeah.
Great, all right. Thank you for your insights and your view of our MX system. So thank you, Ludger.
You're welcome.